Hi, Crafty crew. Look at me. I'm so happy. And I'm ready to make something super duper colorful today. Are you ready? Are you ready to make something amazing with me? Yay! Today we are making a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful rainbow. A rainbow has so many colors. Do you know what colors a rainbow has? Yes. For our rainbow, we need super simple things. We need paper, lots of colors of paper, like red, and orange, and yellow, and green, and blue, and purple. We need our glue stick, and we need our Safe Kid scissors. First, we take our paper, our red paper, and we cut a long strip. Can you cut a long strip with me? Cut, great job. Now our orange paper, cut a long strip. Yes, good job. Keep cutting. Now yellow, cut, and green, cut, and blue, cut, and purple, cut. We have so many colorful strips. Look at all these colors. Now we pick our first color. Red, we take our red strip, and we put a little glue on one end, just a little glue. Now we make a loop. We stick the ends together, like this. It's a circle, a red circle. Now choose orange. We take our orange strip, put a little glue on one end, and we connect it to the red loop. We put it through the red loop and glue it. Wow, see? So many colors. Now yellow, connect, put it through, glue, so colorful. And green, connect, put it through, glue. Oh my goodness, so many colors. Now blue, connect, put it through, glue. And purple, our last one. Connect, put it through, glue. Look, we made a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful rainbow chain. Yay, you did it. You made a rainbow. It's so amazing and so colorful. You are the best crafters ever. Give yourself a high five. High five. What did you think? Did you love making this rainbow with me? If you love making crafts with me, give this video a big, big thumbs up and click subscribe to join our amazing crafty crew. See you next time for more fun. Bye-bye.